Zotion C5 dental milling equipment is the fifth generation of 5-axis linkage dry cutting equipment produced by Zotion, mainly used for CAD/CAM processing of dental materials such as zirconia, wax blocks, PEEK, pmma, etc. The equipment has stable performance, large processing angle, and the tool magazine can accommodate up to 8 or 14 tools. Need to purchase additional tools. High precision measuring head that automatically corrects the working origin. Ultra large high definition touch screen, simple operation. Bring you an ideal solution for dental material processing.